had a day off. So kind of relaxing. So what's going on here? Is there any new in-service class tomorrow?
Yes, at 2:15 p.m. after the shift. There is a class of infection control in the conference room.
That's crazy. Are you coming?
Yeah, I have to because it's mandatory for the full-time staff.
Really? Why? Isn't it mandatory for the part-time staff? And I'm wondering if Mario will come to this class.
I don't know. Maybe he has his night shift.
So what? He makes always some excuses.
Hi Joan, how are you doing today?
Okay.
Hey guys, did you finish the inventory?
Oh, my part is done. I don't know about him because he's always late.
Okay Joan, let me hand over the patients to you.
And let Mario also come. I don't want to waste my time explaining things to him. More?
Hi Joan, excuse me, do you have some time?
Can't you see I'm busy? I'm taking the vital signs of my patient.
Oh, I'm so sorry, I just want to know the new policy of the infection control. Hi John, did you say something?
Yeah, I said, I'm busy. I said, it's not my problem. It's your responsibility.
Oh, I'm so sorry because I had my duty that day.
So what? Can't you see I have 5 patients and you're bothering me?
Oh, I'm so sorry John. Next time I don't want to bother you.
Whatever.
Oh, hi John. Sorry for today's confusion, eh?
What confusion? I'm not confused. Maybe you are.
I did not mean it. I just want to talk what happened today in front of the patient and the families and colleagues.
Now you are telling me what to do and not to do? I worked here for 13 years. And by the way, I don't want to waste time talking to you. I'd better go to
Oh
the
my
doctor's
God,
office.
not again. Should I ask her about the drugs? But for sure she will yell at me again. Oh no, I'm gonna do it by myself.
Hey Mario, what happened to you? You seem to be upset. Are you alright?
I'm okay. I'm alright.
Okay.
Hey Mario, what happened?
I don't know what to say.
Is there something wrong?
So that's the real reason why you called and said you were sick?
Yes, actually I'm planning to quit and I'm looking for a new job.
Oh, I don't think that's a very good idea. Why don't you talk to her?
Well, I tried to talk to her, but she avoided me and walked away from the situation.
Oh, that's bad. Why don't you ask our case manager and then try to settle?
I don't know if that would work.
Conflicts are everywhere, so don't try to avoid it. It's up to you.
Thank you very much, dear.
You're welcome. Bye.